We'll guide you through how to distort text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To warp text in Figma, start by locating the Figma application icon on your computer screen and launching it with a quick double-click. Once the app opens, open the specific project file you want to work on from your dashboard. Look down at the bottom center of your screen for the floating toolbar and click the text tool, which is represented by the letter T. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out a bold word or title that you want to transform into a more dramatic text effect. Next, move over to the right-hand Properties panel and check the typography section to make sure your font style looks perfect before applying any distortion effects. After that, go back down to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions button to search for extra tools and plugins. Type "Morbid" into the search bar that appears and select the plugin from the results list. Wait a moment for the plugin window to load over your design file. If your text layer is selected, you will see a row of control points with small X marks around the text shape. Inside the plugin window, locate the complexity slider and increase it if you want more detailed control over the distortion. Right below it, adjust the interpolation slider and move it higher if you want smoother curves on the warped text. Now click and drag any of the X control points around the outer edges or middle section to bend and distort the letters into a custom shape. You can experiment with different positions and curves until the text looks exactly the way you imagined. Once you are happy with the final look, click the Apply Results button at the bottom of the plugin window. Watch as the plugin permanently applies the distorted typography effect directly onto your canvas. After that, click the small X button in the top corner of the plugin box to close the workspace and get a better view of your finished design. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your canvas to deselect everything. Then glance at the top of the screen to confirm your file is fully synced before pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to save your work safely.